everyone, this sound is a stretchy sound and it's the sound zzz. My turn. Zzz. 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 Excellent. Shall we have a look at our pictures today? So here we have a zebra. Well done. We have lots of animals in here. They all live in the zoo. And a picture of a zip. Well done. And this zip is going to help us to write the z sound today. So you can watch as I draw the zip on the board, and we're going to say zip. Can you see? Zip. Now, we need to make it look a little bit like a zip that we have in our coat. So it's going to go like this, where the zip joins together and the buckle at the end. Zip. So let's do it together. Zip. Excellent. Now I'm going to write the z sound, and we just say z. There we go. So we've got zip and z. Let's have a look at our card. Make sure it's right. Zip, z. Zip, z. Excellent. Now I'm going to see if I can trick you. Will I show you the zip or will I show you the z sound? Which one will it be? Zip. Excellent. Make sure to stretch that sound. Z. And one more. Z. Excellent. Now then, let's have a little look. Here is the z sound card. Here are all of our other sound cards. So let's pop it in the middle. It's gone. Hiding. So, you know what to do now. We're going to practice the sounds. When we get to the z sound, our new one, you're going to stop and point. Okay? Let's go. Sh. D. T. E. N. K. O. W. V. B. K. Excellent. Z. It's a good job you stopped and pointed because I nearly forgot. Is that tongue sticking out? Oh. G. P. J. Y. A. S. E. Back to sh. Well done, everyone. So, how are we going to write our z sound today? Well, we know it's a zip, and we need to say zig, zag, zip. Because it's not a straight zip, is it? It goes zig, zag, zip. So let's practice our air writing. Have you got your finger ready? So remember, you have to zigzag. It's not a straight zip. We have to go zig, zag, zip. Great, let's do it again. Say it together. Zig, zag, zip. Excellent. Well, I think you're ready to try writing it. Have you got your pen ready? What do we need to say? Yeah. Zig, zag, zip. Okay, we're going to do 3. And then we can see if they are the same. Remember to keep saying zig, zag, zip. Let's go. zig, zag, zip. Zig, zag, zip. Zig, zag, zip. Excellent. Well done, everyone. You're getting really, really good at your writing and taking your time. Perfect. Now then, I need a bit more space whilst I rub these out, and we're going to practice some other sounds. So I would like us to practice the caterpillar today. We need to curl around the caterpillar. So you remember? Are you ready? Curl around the caterpillar. And I think we'll do a G, because that's a similar one where we have to curl around, but this time we go around the girl's head. So it's the same shape. So we're going to say round the girl's head, up her hair and down her curl. And another sound that's the same shape, similar, is an A, where we have to go round the apple and up the stalk and down to the leaf. Shall we practice that one? Round the apple, up the stalk and down the leaf. Perfect. So all of these sounds all start the same, where we have to curl this way, but they're all a little bit different. That's why we have to remember the special phrase that helps us to write them. Great work. So, Fred. Fred, have you been thinking? Where are you? Have you been thinking of any sounds? Hi, Fred. Yeah, have you got some sounds? Perfect. Are these Z sounds? Even better. Come on then. Z, I, G. Zig. Yeah, we can do that one. What's the next one? Okay, just like the picture. Z, I, P. Zip. Well done. One more. Okay, let's see if we can get this one. Z, A, P. Zap. Oh, I hope you're not going to zap anyone, Fred. Okay. Well done, everybody. See you next time.